Oh man.
Are you ready, kids?
Welcome to Bikini Bottom, a normally peaceful undersea sanctuary. Today it will be transformed into a theater of pure horror, wherein our little yellow friend will play the starring role.
Today is the big day. I have devised an ingenious plan to finally steal the Krabby Patty formula. If Bikini Bottom happens to get demolished in the process, oh well. With my brand new Duplicatotron 3000, I'll clone an army of robots that will wreak mayhem and destruction.
Showed up, Mrs. Puff.
You know, we should talk about personal gym training sometime.
Wow.
Connect all the towers and shoot the light out to the big reflector on the island.
No. No.
There's another opportunity for SpongeBob. That robot is out on the island. Nobody can get to him.
Okay. Sorry I asked. Here.
That robot is out on the island. Nobody can get to him.
Okay. Sorry I asked. Here's the golden spatula that I promised you.
Authorities are not sure who is responsible for unleashing the mechanical menaces, but they have assured us that the person is in big trouble.
That won't do any good.
Oh, that's gotta sting.
Hello, Patrick. I've got a job for you to do.
Is that a jelly? Yeah, it is. It's a little jelly. It's a little
Ow! I got...
Oh, okay. Press it.
Breaking news! Bikini
yourself a
That's
snack.
the match!
But there's no
SpongeBob is
time!
still champion!
Scourge fireplace?
Oh, that gap looks big. Ow! I'm not for this.
Oh, the humanity! Or should I say the fishanity? That's it! That's the match! SpongeBob is still champion!
Squidward, I don't know what to do. How can I fix everything?
Oh, I correct myself. I should have known that whole robot problem involved both of you. Authorities are not sure who is responsible for unleashing the mechanical menaces, but they have assured us that the person is in big, big trouble. Exactly. You can't spend the days without sunscreen. Way too hot. Exactly. You can't spend a day at the beach without sunscreen. That sun is way too hot. That's it. That's the Bob is still champion. That's the match. SpongeBob is still champion. Those stupid robots ruined a perfectly relaxing mud bath this morning. That's it.
So much for fix.
Hey, if you're not busy later, come work out at the gym. If you can get me back into the gym bucket, I'll give you a bucket full of gold.
That's
SpongeBob, we need those steering wheels. Now hurry!
one movie ticket, my good man. And I finally got it.
You are asleep.
So what are you gonna do, Pun?
Why can't I ever just dream normal dreams of world domination? Why can't I ever just dream normal dreams of world domination?
That's from the dream level. Sandy's dream, DBO2. Right? Can I ever dream noble dreams of world domination? Nice audio glitch, just like the GameCube version ordered. No, that's not part of the randomizer. That's the game screwing up. Like these audio, that's not part of it. That's stuff right here. It's got the music. Yeah, no, that's not part of the GameCube version. Great audio quality. The audio glitches in the GameCube version are just absolutely hilarious. Like the SpongeBob arena glitch and randomizing Scooby-Doo Never 100 fights in Bikini in BFBB tends to cause, like I said, it causes the main jumping to screw up, and that's not part of the randomizer. New builds don't do that. And you saw that if you watched that Scooby-Doo Never 100 fights video, you saw how screwy that gets. Yeah, that. Yeah, that's not part of the randomizer at all.
Buddy.
You see, you're going to need...
Not vacuum, evacuate. We have to get everyone to safety.
Yeah, see? You can... Yeah, it's awesome.
Ow, so out. Did you out? Find the out.
This is awesome.
Out, fish, yet, out.
Paying my entire salary.
Yeah.
You mean?
Yeah, there's the cow. When they fold the pies, it went to Scourge his clarinet sound. Yeah, right there.
Sure thing, Pet.
Aim carefully, though.
Well, according to the Jellyfisher Field Manual, severe jellyfish stings can be treated effectively by applying a thick layer of king jellyfish jelly to the affected areas. King jellyfish?
Right. Press this button, and you'll launch.
Nice try.
Nice try.
Oh, won't you help me stop them?
A library card.
Hello, sir. May I help you?
Oh, that one. It's lost.
Because the robots have taken all the steering wheels.
Really, Patrick Puff.
Oh, that.
Because the robots have taken all the steering wheels.
Even though we're not even at that level right now.
Oh,
Because the robots have taken all the steering wheels.
don't forget, to defeat robots or TPs that are
See, the
directly
R button's
on you,
randomized,
press
see?
this button.
Yeah, the R button's also randomized. You can see where Patrick's head is. Yeah, it's because the boot.hip file is randomized.
Fine, tell everyone.
That's how you randomize SpongeBob.
I'm still smarter than all of you.
And I saw a plaque.
It's easier said than done.
Okay. Sorry I asked. Here's the golden spatula that I promised you.
It's even more messed up than usual. There was only that messed up enough before.
Gotcha, Bubba Buddy.
No.
No, that's part of the Bikini Bottom.
Hello, Plankton.
Jeff feels that's okay.
SpongeBob, this flapping robot crisis is making the Krusty Krab lose money like a sinking ship.
now.
No money
Don't
means
forget,
no more
to
Krusty
defeat
Krab.
robots or TPs
No
that
more
are
Krusty
directly
Krab
above you,
means no more
press
Krusty
this
Krab.
button.
A promotion. So what this here new...
Oh, there's
Sorry,
robots.
sir. That's
A
what
bunch
I
of
need,
robots
a
came
creature
through
with a
and stole my whole
backbone.
sock collection. I could use some help getting
That's
them
what I
back.
need, a creature with a backbone. Oh, yes,
so
it's the
proud.
chubby one. That's what I need, a creature with a backbone. Can I have that back?
Yeah. Where did they come?
When you're not moving,
There's a golden spatula out there, but if you make it far enough.
Come back
Well,
when you're
there's a
ready.
golden spatula out there.
Come back when you're ready to
All
trade.
righty then.
Come back when you're ready to trade.
Acorn.
Come back
This
when you're ready
sky
to
is
trade.
fried.
Come back when you're ready to. Alrighty then.
There's
Back when
only
you're
one
ready to
golden
trade.
acorn.
Come back when you're ready to
Alrighty
trade. Come back when you're ready to trade. Ready to trade.
It's the chum bucket security system. I designed it myself.
oh darn, I wish I could bungee jump. Oh darn, I wish I could bungee jump.
Yeah, with this setting, you don't get the every level switched around, but you get to randomize your levels
Oh
by.
darn, I wish.
It's as simple as just plopping stuff into the file and then randomizing it. It's that easy to do. You just plop different audio files and textures into the level and just shuffle it using single file randomizer. It's like single file option. Or you can use it. Yeah, I find that. Yeah, you can use single file. That's how I got boot.hip screwing up. That's how I got all this other stuff to screw up. Yeah, you can literally do that. It's awesome. You can take stuff from different levels and plop it into the Industrial Park editor. You need to use the editor. You take stuff you want from different levels, and just, it might not pick it up. It's randomized, but if it does, you might get some silly stuff. Because you can get stuff from different levels, which there's no option for that, so I decided to try this, and it works.
Oh darn, I wish I could bungee
It's awesome.
jump.
It's just, now you can have everything be, all the sound effects and textures be scrambled from different areas. The Bikini Bottom does have a lot of textures and voice clips, so you're gonna likely get a lot of the same. Yeah, but if you try it in Squidward's house or a smaller area, you might, or like that means you can randomize the police station. If you use a single file option, you need if you want to randomize the police station, you have to use single file randomizer because it won't change the textures and stuff. And for some reason, it doesn't do that. So I did not randomize it right now. But I didn't go into the file and switch the. I didn't pick single file for this level. I did it in. It's pretty cool. So you guys can try this. Just really go into the editor and just move things around. You can get different things. It's pretty funny. Like a lot of times, the Krusty Krab is kind of like. You know,
Something about.
That won't do any good.
that won't do any good.
I was just. We can't just.
No! Don't forget, to defeat robots or cookies that are directly above you, press this button.
Well, of course. Now where did I put it?
You gotta help me, boy. Tell you what I'm gonna do.
Everything in Texas is big, even dreams.
SpongeBob, I'm impressed.
It even plays the voice clip normally. Like it sounds, yeah, it actually still does it. Yeah, it works still.
Ah,
It doesn't turn out glitchy.
Oh, that feels so much better.
What was that?
What's happening, SpongeBob?
What's happening, SpongeBob?
May I help you?
Here, I'll blow you some.
Wow, jellyfish rock. I never thought I'd see it with my own eyes this week. Okay then, for every 10...
There have to be some non-student drivers around here.
Wow, jellyfish rock. I never thought I'd see it with my own eyes this week. Okay then.
There have to be some non-student drivers around here.
That sound is very disturbing. I'm not gonna say anything about it right. What's playing right now? I don't know what the hell. What is this monstrosity right here? That looks like a gaping face from the movie game, like a monster. Like this, I did not take stuff from that. Like, what is this? What in the world is that? I know what levels. I did swap it from different down. I think it was. But what is that? Holy crap, that's weird. Chipmunk time. GameCube version. Yeah, both Bikini Bottom and Scooby-Doo Neighborhood Fights have this audio issue sometimes. And Movie Game doesn't for some reason. Oh yeah, it does. If you put enemies into the wrong level, into the wrong hop file, it might go yeah, make a loud punching sound or something. Yeah, I watched it. Yeah, it's pretty weird. That's can be helped.
Each time you see a new movie.
Okay, let's go to Squiddy's house. Squidward. Squidward. See what Squidward's up to? Okay, but you don't have to break something. I just came in here.
What kind of funny names?
Ew. Kid, if I were you, I'd get going fast. Okay, then. But lighten up a bit on the enthusiasm, huh? You're making my bowels act up. We got a little problem with some robots down in the Mermalair. Are you sure you're up to this
Yeah,
task?
this is awesome.
Ugly! All right, Mr. Krabs, break them I shall. You got a deal.
It's not even Squidward talking.
There's more golden spatulas in
It
the
was
deep
all
blue sea.
random.
Be on the lookout. There's more golden spatulas in the deep blue sea. Be on the lookout.
You guys gotta try this. All you do is just take files from different levels, like audio, textures and audio and sounds, and just put it into a different level. Like take stuff you want at the existing level, or you can even use your own mod. I've tried it for fun. I not the mod I'm working. No, that would ruin it. I took I made a new level, basic platforms. I put some stuff just to make and some textures and some sounds, and I threw it into a blank hip and hop file, and I randomized it, and it worked. That was on my laptop though. I was just trying it just for the heck of it, but yeah, you can even do it with custom maps. I am dead serious. But you need the single file option. So if you want to do, you need a single file option. So just open up Randomizer, click single file, choose single, and you can pick the file you want to randomize. So it's kind of a different randomizer. You don't get to choose all the stuff, but it's just cool. You can now fold different stuff into it and get different textures and sounds and voices.
There's more. Just clear my mind. Money.
It's
Clear my mind. I'll give you a reward. Money. Now listen here, boy. But I know that I'll golden if you can break these trees. But I'm going to bonus the golden if you can break all the trees here in the scene. I'll give you a golden spatula.
Yeah. That's what I am not. This is, you're not even hearing or seeing things.
Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs.
That's from the BB04, downtown Bikini Bottom 04.
Mr. Krabs.
How can you think of money at a time like this? But it's only,
Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs.
Yeah, this is sick, dude. So this is like hit and run. Yeah, now you can really do some stuff with this.
Mr. Krabs.
You can actually build a randomizer if you want to do. This will take a long time, but you can do a full game with this. But you have to change stuff in each level. It might take time, but you can build a full game and have everything be switched. But you have to go into each level and take stuff from different levels and move it somewhere else. And so I just do single file. But you can actually randomize the full game, like with taking stuff from one level, plopping it in here. Because this randomizer does not have an option for that. It doesn't have an option for randomizing stuff from different levels. It doesn't do that. It just takes the stuff from the level and just throws it everywhere. Yeah, you don't have it. So this is a cool thing I figured out. This is sick. Like, you literally can like take stuff from different levels and plop it in, and then you get different effects.
That's horrible.
Ah, there you are, boy. Someone's broken the sea needle. Ah, there you are, boy. Someone's broken the sea needle.
But the carnival is closed.
Ah, there you are, boy. Someone's broken the sea needle. Don't touch me.
There's a clip from the level, actually. Yeah, it took a while.
Ah, there you are, boy. Someone's broken the sea needle. Here's the golden spatula, like I promised.
That's not very funny.
I correct myself. I should have known that whole robot problem involved both of you.
Squidward, I don't know what to...
No, it's that excited sponge kid again.
See, Squidward, I knew it.
No, it's that excited sponge kid again. No, it's that excited sponge kid again. No, it's that excited sponge kid again.
JF? I did it in JF and I did it in BB. JF01 and BB01, so I'll show you these two areas. And the reason why loading screen looks weird.
Congratulations, SpongeBob, you beat my best time. Here's a spatula.
Oh my god, it's Larry. Whoa, he's naked.
I've gone down this hill 100 times. If you can beat my time, I'll give you a golden spatula.
What if I just gave you?
All right, kid, knock it off. Just tell us what you want.
That sounds like it's what he would kind of say.
I feel like I should be working.
Krusty Krab?
Hi, Mrs. Puff. Driving class isn't out
Yeah.
here today, is it?
It's so sick. Well, that's from the Murmur. This sound right here. Yeah, I even quoted that. I even got that to analyze. No, I didn't put this. I didn't choose text boxes to fold this stuff in. No, I just put this stuff into the file. All you do is just grab stuff, put it in its respective layers in the editor. Like textures, just put everything where it should be. And when you click randomize single file, or when it's done with forming, you can go into the level and it will shuffle the stuff you added to the level. But keep in mind, if a level's got a lot of stuff in it, like Bikini Bottom hub, yeah, it might pick some of your stuff, but the smaller the level is, the more likely, if you add more stuff to it, it's kind of neat what you can get.
Who dares disturb the Flying Dutchman?
Yeah, see? Flying Dutchman? Who dares disturb the Flying Dutchman? Computer monitor from PlayStation? Yeah, that sound I even ported that. I even got that to randomize.
This is why I don't go outside.
Okay, that's part.
Get up to my ship and use the cannons to single-handedly defeat the robot ship.
I gotta build this whole thing at some point.
You've got to get that
spatula and end this cacophony.
Mr. Krabs? What are you doing in Squidward's dream?
Go see the computer in the next room. She'll tell you what to do.
Yeah.
Go see the computer in the next room. She'll tell you what to do.
This is why I don't go outside. Ever.
Go see the computer in the next room. She'll tell you what to do.
Hey, Squidward.
It's me, Doctor.
The boot.hip file I also shuffled, so now the boxes, teleport boxes actually are random, the textures got shuffled. But SpongeBob will always look like this, and that will always look like that, unless we do randomize. But every level of the box look the same. So once you randomize boot.hip, it will always be, but when you do a new randomize files again, that would be different again. What I'm saying is every level now has that same artwork picture on it. It's not different for each level because it's set to only the boot file, but it's hard to explain. But yeah, you can if you do another one, I'll get a different thing on it. Now the box sounds randomized too. It makes a trampoline sound when you open it, and when you get inside it, it's also got a different sound. I think that's supposed to be Chuck. I mean Slick. Yes, I think that's supposed to be.
Hello, lady.
Hello, Gary. It's me, Doctor.
Yeah, that's not from the level of the door. It's by Squidward's house.
Actually, it's a good thing you showed up, young sponge of...
Was that Sandy? Yeah, it's Sandy. There's her texture. You guys really, yeah, I know. Like, this is so freaking cool. I didn't know this was a thing.
Actually, it's a good thing you showed up, young sponge of goodness.
Hello, lady.
It's me, Doctor.
Hey, Sandy. Is that... What? Who is that?
Hey, Sandy!
Is that King Poseidon?
Hey, Sandy!
I couldn't see. Is that... I took something from Sandy's boss fight.
Hey, Sandy!
Hey, Sandy!
Hey, Sandy! Hey, Sandy!
Okay. Waterfall Larry. What textures are on the... Oh my goodness sake. Poor fish dude is stuck on here. Now, I have not tried Downtown Bikini Bottom, so we're going to see her for ourselves if it even loads. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see.
Throw the token.
Oh boy.
Howdy, Larry.
What?
Turn all 8 cylinders around to the power side and I'll give you a reward.
All right, but it's gonna take a while to get all this dust. What's the matter? How is anyone going...
All you have to do is throw one throw fruit into each of those funnel machines.
Oh, that's a good line. That's a great line, Merman. Funnel machines.
Downtown Bikini Bottom.
Yes.
Not vacuum.
Holy Dutchman's go!
So what textures do we have? Some of it, there's a lot in this level. It seems to focus a lot more on the voice clips. No, the textures are. You saw Sandy in Jellyfish Fields. He's not in there, so it did do that. Wait, what's? I'm trying to see. I don't know what textures look like when they're so screwed up.
The Bikini Bottom scavenger hunt. 3 years running.
Oh, this is from JF. This is the bathtub, I think, texture. Yeah, this is
Okay.
Just my style.
cursed, to say the least.
Sorry I asked. Here's the
When you have
golden
pressed the ball,
spatula
you
that I
should return
promised
here
you.
to
Sorry
press the
I
master
asked.
shutdown button.
Here's the
You will
golden
be
spatula
rewarded.
that I promised you.
When you have pressed them
Sorry I
all,
asked.
you should return here to
Here's
press
the
the master
golden
shutdown button.
spatula that I
You
promised
will be
you.
rewarded.
Okay. Sorry
When you
I
have
asked.
pressed
That
them
adorable
all,
hat,
you should
the adorable
return
hat, the
here
little
to
one
press the
inside
master
three.
shutdown
That I
button.
promised you.
Whoa.
Or maybe it was that way. Oh, don't hide. Or maybe it was that way. Don't hide.
Yep, graveyard treasure chest. See, the treasure chest from the graveyard. Here it is.
Don't hide.
Yep.
Maybe it was that
This
way.
is randomized. Yeah. See, there you go. So we will have.
Maybe it was that way. Or maybe it was that way. Maybe it was that way. Don't hide. Oh, don't hide. Oh, don't maybe it was that way.
Okay.
Oh,
Sorry.
maybe it was that way.
Golden
Oh,
spatula
don't
that I
hide. Oh,
promised
don't
you.
hide. Episode 27.
Okay. Sorry I asked.
Or maybe it was that way.
Golden
Actually, guys, I'll show you the feeder. This is also the feeder.
Oh, don't hide. 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 That's the most satisfying. Oh, don't hide.
He's not even.
Oh, don't hide.
I can't even see him. What?
To those funnel machines!
Oh, don't hide. Oh, don't hide. Oh, don't hide. Get in. Somehow I smoked that door. Need a hand. Ow!
Now listen up.
Oh,
There are
don't
8
hide.
cylinders over there.
Oh, don't hide. In episode 27. Rollerific. It's just head to Smokestack's door. Check. Number 1 on the Bikini Bottom scavenger hunt. Oh, don't 3 years running. Thank you. Oh, don't hide. Get in. Don't head to Smokestack. That way. Oh, don't hide. Or maybe it was that way. Or maybe it was that way. Oh, maybe it was that way. Maybe it was that way. Maybe it was that way. Maybe it was that way.
Here's my fiber drink!
Oh, maybe it was that way. Oh, don't hide. Oh, don't hide. Oh, don't hide. Oh, don't hide.
Here's my fiber drink!
Where's my fiber?
Oh, don't hide. Oh, don't hide.
What in the?
Or maybe it was that way. Or maybe it was that way. Oh, maybe it was that way.
Fiber drink!
Well, get it off there and get those robots! Those robots! Get it off there and get it off there and get it off there! Well, get it off there and get those well, get it off there and get those get it off there! Get it off there and get those robots! Get it off there and get those robots! Get it off there and get those robots! Well, get it off there and get those get it off there and get those
Oh boy.
get it off there and get
Just my size.
Yeah. What's this? Do?
Okay. Sorry I asked. Here's the
When you have
golden
Master shutdown button. Rewarded.
But yeah. When there's a lot of textures, it seems like it does load but it's like it does. The sound effects you can hear, the voice clips are definitely. The textures do load, but it's when there's so many in one level, it tends to pick up. Yeah, but it is randomizing them.
Okay.
It is cool.
Okay.
Come on, I did not. When it's really interesting, like how you can do this. Yeah, you can change what loads up. This is cool because I didn't know you could actually do that. You have to do manually pick things in the editor and then shuffle it.
Hey, if you're not busy later, come work out at the gym in my dream.
So the theater is also. Oh wait, I can't get in the theater because the glitch. If for some reason there's a glitch, so I'm like, let me just turn a cheat on because there's a cheat on this randomizer right now. The counter does not go up for shiny objects in this file right now. Maybe it's just a bug, but it's because of this randomizer right now. Not when you do the single file. I don't know, but I'm gonna put the cheat on to show you the theater.
If you're not busy later, come work.
Okay, also, I got to mention, yeah, there is textures over here, too. It's different every time, but...
Not thinking. Not thinking.
Duplicatotron, as you can see over there, the blue... Yeah, Duplicatotron texture over there. So it's, yeah, so that's not part of this level. So, yeah. Yeah, it does shuffle them. But Bikini Bottom has a lot of textures and a lot of voice clips in this area. See, the likelihood of getting something from the actual level to load up is way more, kind of more common.
Thinking. Not thinking. Not
But
thinking.
you can get randomized stuff though, like I showed you. The smaller the level, the more common it is.
Oh, there more.
Sorry, sir.
A bunch of robots came through here and stole my whole sock collection. I could use some help getting them back.
Okay, so let's go into the theater finally. And this is our last. Yeah, you can now randomize the theater with single file option in randomizer though. You cannot do it with the normal option.
Did you find my...
SpongeBob, my favorite and only lackey.
Over.
Oh, you'll need to be real tough to make this series of swings.
Yeah, that's from Sandy's Dream. I'll play it one more time. Oh. Jellyfish Fields, the thing that, that tilts that.
Oh, you'll need to be real tough to make this series of swings.
Yeah, see? It's not doing it now.
Oh, you'll need to... That's it.
This is why I don't go outside. Oh, here, there's more.
No, not really.
Wow, if anyone was going to make it down this sky slide, it was going to be you.
We? Meaning...
Yes, sir.
I would if I had pinkies.
Go away, Patrick. I'm waiting for SpongeBob.
Yep.
I can't believe I just said that.
What if I want to watch it?
Yeah, no.
Let me teach you.
Okay, here's the theater. The place to be, very well. Well, it's a little bit different now, though.
That wasn't so hard, was it? I think it's time for a victory screech.
Let's walk bottom. This stuff does not change, though. So, now, for some reason, this does not change, which would be damn hilarious if it did. Yeah, this does not change. But now instead of saying coming soon, it says, checkpoint! Checkpoint! There's a Chuck or something, whatever this stuff is. Taxi. And, Fish Guy has seen better days, but we can still attack him, though.
So, can you give me a hint on how to get to the museum? Whoa! Lunch rush! I better grab my hat and...
Amazingly awful, you mean? Amazingly awful, you mean?
Whoa! Lunch rush! I better grab my hat and...
Amazingly awful, you mean?
Whoa! Lunch rush! I better grab my hat and...
Amazingly awful, you mean?
So, can you give me a hint on how to get to the museum? Whoa! Lunch rush! I better grab my hat and...
So that's the randomizer, and it's even worse. Yeah, you guys can do this yourself. Just do that and change the stuff in the industrial park editor itself. Then go and randomize single file, and whatever extra stuff you put into the level. Like if you go, let's say you go to Jellyfish Fields 01, take stuff from Bikini Bottom, and you can hear voice clips and text. You might get it's textures and stuff from the different levels. So there's no option in this randomizer by default to do this. So I found a way of doing it. So, and if you want to randomize Patrick's dream, normally randomized with the random sounds and textures from that normal level, you actually can, and you can also shuffle it. Yes, if you pick single file, you can play Patrick's dream. Well, how can I play Patrick's dream? Well, you have to switch the file names to play it. You know what I mean. But yeah, you can do that too. I tried it with Patrick's dream. I tried it with Muscle Bob Buff Pants. It works with it works with that too. Well, that's the level. You have to change the anchor arms for the level loads, but you can randomize any level you want. You saw the main menu. You see the boot file. You can do it. Yeah, you just gotta change. You gotta do it manually if you want to see the extra stuff. Yeah, this is pretty hilarious. So thanks for watching. You guys can try this yourself. It's pretty entertaining. It brings even more to this randomizer than what it already was. More chaos.